Hi guys, I hope you're doing just fine at home. Now, we're going to look at mean. Mean is a type of average. It's a way of leveling things out. When you do your times tables tests, and we get times tables scores coming in, some people get higher scores, some people get lower scores, and we often tell you the average. It's a sort of middle level. This particular type of average is called mean. Imagine you've got a very bumpy ground, big piles of earth and rock. Some bits are high, some bits are low, so what you need is a bulldozer. We need to flatten this out. So the bulldozer will come along and it'll level it out. It'll knock off these high bits and fill in the low bits until we get a nice flat middle level, an average, the mean. So how do we work out the mean? Well, let's say you do 5 tests. You score 7, then you score 3, oh dear. You get a bit better and you score 5, then you score 6, and then you score 9. So to average those out, to find the mean, we're going to add them all up and then share them out equally again. The mean is the total, that's 7 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6 plus 9 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we add them up and share them out equally by dividing by 5. So that's 10, 15, 24, 30. So we have 30 divided by 5, which is 6. So your mean score, or your average score, is 6. That sounds about right. It's somewhere around about the middle. Now, let's look at another one. Let's say we want to work out the mean, or the average, of 10, 8, and 3. So we need to add them up. The mean equals 10 plus 8 plus 3. And then share them out equally between those 3. So we divide by 3. We add them up and divide by 3 this time. So we have 18, 19, 20, 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Sounds about right. Right, so here's a couple for you to try. Let's do them together. So, number 1. First thing to write down. Mean equals, so we need to add them up, 7 plus 13. But that's not the mean, that's the total, divided by 2. So write that down. So next line, equals 20 divided by 2. So the final answer is 10. Okay, try number 2 yourself. Okay, let's see what to do. So we say mean equals 15 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total is 20, 32. So divided by 4 equals 8. So here are some questions for you to practice. Give them a go before we practice the big worksheet. The last couple are a little bit tricky. Have a go. Right, the answers. First one, we say mean equals 7 plus 9 plus 5 divided by 3. So that's 24 divided by 3, which is 8. So I'm squeezing it in a bit here. Number 2, mean equals 16 plus 20 divided by 2. 36 divided by 2, what's half of 36? Well, if you're not sure, you could do a calculation. 36 divided by 2, what's half of 36? Nothing wrong with doing a calculation at the side. So it's 18. Number 3. So the mean equals 3 plus 2 plus 7 plus 1 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. So that adds up to 10, 11, 12, 13 divided by 4. Now, you notice it didn't go in exactly, so it's not going to be a whole number. 4's into 13. 3 4s are 12, and 1/4 left over. So it's 3 1/4. Now the last one. Did you get this one right? How do we work out the mean of x and y? The average of what is x and y? Well, what do you do? Well, just like before, the mean equals x plus y divided by 2. And that's it. You can't do anything else. It's just telling you you have to add them up and divide them by 2. Now, download the worksheet and give it a go. Good luck.